Welcome to Voiceover Work, an audiobook sampler. Where do you listen? Today is October 31st, 2023. Happy Halloween. Have you ever wondered what makes some people so charismatic? Why they're able to command attention, inspire others, and build trust so easily? The answer is in this book, Massive Charisma by Patrick King. Here, King reveals the science behind charisma and shows you how to develop it yourself. Whether you're a business leader, a salesperson, or someone who simply wants to improve their social interactions, Massive Charisma is the book for you. Today's episode is the audiobook preview of Patrick King's book, Massive Charisma. People with charisma are just so appealing. They're charming, they're likable, and they somehow make everyone gravitate towards them. Is it magic? Is it just a chemistry thing? If you've ever wanted to be that person in the room with the most magnetic, captivating aura, then this book is for you. When we're in the presence of charismatic people, it can be hard to say precisely why we're so bewitched. Charisma can start to seem like something that you're just born with, or not. But thankfully, this kind of allure is not some mysterious power that only a few possess. It is a 100% social skill that you can practice, even if you don't quite see yourself that way now. Charisma is really a collection of different behaviors and attitudes that radiate a certain very attractive mindset to others. We'll divide our Charisma Crash Course into two main parts in the chapters that follow. First, you'll learn how to develop your own unique brand of charm within yourself. Then in part 2, you'll learn to carry that aura out into the world and broadcast it to those you interact with. With charisma, you're more empathetic, more engaging, and a much, much better conversationalist. You're interesting and interested. And because you're witty and emotionally intelligent, people like you and trust you. It's hard to imagine an area of life that isn't improved with a little charisma. Dating, work, friendships, even chatting to strangers at a bus stop becomes an opportunity for winning people over with enchanting banter. Before we dive in, though, let's dispel one misconception. Being charismatic is not about being loud, extroverted, or cocky. In fact, by the end of this book, the hope is that you'll see there are many ways to be charming, whether that's being flashy and larger than life, or quietly confident and a little mysterious. A practical definition. Conveniently for us, in 2018, researchers at the University of Toronto studied the phenomena of charisma and developed a working definition. After studying over 1,000 people, the team concluded that charisma was a mix of two things. 1, affability. 2, influence. Affability broadly means that people are pleasant to be around and easily approachable. However you define it, warmth, pleasantness, friendliness, this is the quality that makes you think, I like this person. Influence is defined as leadership potential, presence, and the ability to influence and persuade people. Thank you for listening to Voiceover Work, an audiobook sampler. If you like what you just heard, we hope you'll pass along our web address, newtonmg.com, to your friends and colleagues. This has been a Newton Media Group production. Join us next week for the chapter-by-chapter preview of Patrick King's Massive Charisma. To learn more about the author and for further information, please visit his website at bit.ly/PK Consulting.